House Deputy Speaker and former Marikina Representative Miro Quimbo has tested positive for COVID-19. Quimbo is the husband of Marikina 2nd District Representative Stella Quimbo. The former lawmaker is grateful his family is safe from the virus. While on isolation, Quimbo remains optimistic. Quimbo is a member of the Liberal Party. He served as Marikina's representative in the House from 2010 to 2019.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.